I welcome you to today's presentation where I'm going to talk about how you can trim a live video. That is, if you had gone live on Facebook and then perhaps during the course of the presentation then there was network tripping, and then perhaps some person walked into the room where you were recording from, or anything which was so destructive came through, and then you happen to have gaps where you need to trim up the video. So that's what we are here to do, and I'm going to walk you through the steps that you have to take. So now the thing is, you need to browse, or you need to search for Facebook Creator Studio, and that is where you can actually trim the video from. Now check this one out. I logged into my Facebook page where I do teach physics and mathematics from. So that's Physics and Math Made Simple. There's also the second one, that is Physics Math Made Simple 2. I equally teach physics and math from there. And then there's this other one where I actually teach martial arts from, which is capoeira. And then what I need is to trim a video from this page, which is at the far bottom here. So I'll click on it so as to activate it and see the contents that I want to trim. Alright, so now here we go. Everything is active here. So now what's the next thing that I have to do? Check at the bottom here. You can access all tools that you can actually make use of, so as to manipulate whatever you had actually recorded. And then there's monetization issues there. Okay, so from this tab you can actually access the ads tools, the advertisements. Whatever video you record, you can actually advertise it. You can sell it to the world and make sure that the world happens to see what you are actually working with. Then the monetization tools are here. Check out, there's even an issue here. So it reads that one page with monetization issues. That has to do with the way Facebook pays you if you're making money. Okay, so now I can play around with this by actually tapping on these other tabs. Then I can also get into the inbox, check whatever messages I've received. And on top there is an insight and whatever planner, notifications, contents. Now our interest is to make sure that I happen to trace the video, so I will need to play with the tab which reads contents. So now they are loading, and I want to pick the video from here which I'll need to trim. So here we go. Check this window which has just popped up. I'll need to close this one. Okay, beautiful. So now in the morning I'd gone live, and my interest is to make sure that I trim one of the videos. So the first post was simply a pic. The second one a pic as well. My interest is to actually trim the fade content, which is the video. So now I'm gonna click on those three dots, then check out those commands: create clip from this video, expire now. That is if I don't want this video to be normal on Facebook, I can actually expire. Prohibit embedding, download HD if I want it to be in HD format, that is high definition. If I want to download this video in high definition format, I can simply click on that tab and then it will be downloaded. HD, copy video ID. If I want to share the video ID with people in the groups on Facebook, on WhatsApp, or on any other social platform, I can simply click on that, then I share it. Now my interest is to actually edit the video, so I've clicked on the edit tab. So the video is loading. Okay, there we go. Now there are these tabs. There's this tab where I can delete the video from if I don't want this video to be anymore on the platform. I can trim it from that tab. So here we go. Since my interest is to simply trim the video, I will simply tap on the trim video tab. So here we go. I tap on it, the video loads. So that when I was recording, there was a part where the video was loading and there was nothing showing because I was actually playing around with the apps that I make use of whenever I happen to go live and I want my video to be recorded. So now I don't need this first part because there was nothing that was really kicking there. I wasn't really doing anything. I was simply playing around with the apps, the application. So now what I'll do is I'll simply click at the far end here and then move the handle to a point where I need the video to start from. So you see there's nothing that is really happening here. So now I really want this video to start from where I started talking from. Okay, so that's where I will simply move the handle to, so that when I begin to tune anything, you will be able to hear me out. Instead of you clicking through and then you go like, whoa, there's nothing that is really happening here. So let me move on to another video. So here we go. I give it a shot to check if there's anything happening or not. Okay, beautiful. So here we go. Okay, that sounds more like it. That sounds more like it. Okay, let me draw it back a little bit. Okay, so I will actually start from here. Beautiful. Beautiful. I give it a shot. Yeah, that's more like it. That's more like it. So now I can since I like where it's starting from, I can hit on this tab here so that I trim the video. So now check out, there's a message there saying trimming in progress. It may take a few seconds or more minutes depending on the quality of your video. So there's no need of panicking. Oh, check it out. It's already done. So if the video is much longer, you'll find that the video will take long. The video will take long. Okay, beautiful. So that's how you go about it, baby. That's how you go about it, baby. Okay, so if you've liked the video and it has helped you in one way or the other, go ahead and tap on the like button. Remember to subscribe or follow the channel.